Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the subscription e-commerce. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in e-commerce and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, subscription e-commerce means that whenever you are using e-commerce, like for example you are using Amazon or eBay, so normally what we do, like we just open the website of any particular e-commerce site, and we can do the shopping. However, in subscription e-commerce, basically it's a model which is based on subscription. That means subscription box services or subscription based businesses is a business model where customer subscribe to receive products or services on a regular or a recurring basis, typically monthly basis. The best example for the subscription e-commerce, you can say the Netflix. Netflix is the very best example of e-commerce in which you just purchase the services on a monthly basis, and every month your fee will be deducted through the credit card. So this model has gained popularity across various industries, offering convenience and a personalized experience for customer and consumers. So let's deep dive into this business model. First one is the recurring revenue. Recurring means that the subscription e-commerce relies on recurring revenue model. Customers sign up for a subscription plan, normally monthly plan, and their credit cards are automatically billed at regular intervals, usually on a monthly basis. Then the predictable cash flow. Basically you have the information about the customers who have already signed up, so you can predict that how much you have a cash flow in a month. Okay, like for example, you know that for example the subscription fee is $10, for example, and five customers have already signed up, so you know that $50 is the cash flow, obviously. So basically based on the predictable cash flow, you can easily plan and manage the inventory and the operations. Then there are mainly three types of subscription e-commerce. First one is the product based subscription. That means customers receive physical products regularly, often in the form of accumulated boxes. Examples include, for example, beauty products, snacks, books, clothing. Then the service based subscription, like for example Netflix is another example in which subscriber gain access to ongoing services such as streaming platforms, like for example songs and music, online courses, software subscription. The hybrid model in which subscription services offer a combination of physical products and the digital services as well. So these three services, product based services, service based subscription, and hybrid models, both all these three models are very popular, and you can choose whatever is suitable for you. Then the benefits for the customer. First one is the convenience. Basically friend, you just subscribe for the model. For example, you subscribe for 3 months, you receive the products, you receive the services, and you don't need to reorder the services each time. For example, if you subscribe for any for example for any beauty products, so you just subscribe for 3 months for whatever that you need, and you don't need to reorder the products again and again on every month. Then the discovery. Discovery means the subscription boxes offer curated or personalized item, allowing customer to discover new products as well. Like every time you can get a new product whenever you order a new model or new version. Then cost saving, because you are subscribing on a monthly basis, so there are high chances that you will get it on a cost saving basis, that as compared to purchasing items individually. Okay, then benefits for businesses. First one is the customer loyalty. Subscribers are likely to stay loyal to the brand, leading to the long-term customer relationships. That it's better. Normally what happened, that if a customer subscribe and the services are good of the e-commerce, then they are loyal, and they become a long-term customer. Data and personalization. Subscription businesses can gather valuable data on customer preferences, allowing for personalized product recommendations and targeted marketing. Like they are signed up for your service, that you know that which services they are using, uh, in which type of products they have interest. So you can use this data for targeting marketing. Like if there is any new product is coming, so you can send them email, you can send them SMS, you can tell them this new product is coming, so maybe they have interest in the new product as well. Revenue become more stable. Why? Because the cash flows are predictable due to the signed up or already subscribed customers. You know that how many customers you have. Then based on the predictable cash flow, it helps businesses plan and invest in growth as well. It's very important, friend, that the revenue should be stable for further investment in future. There are few challenges are as well in the subscription e-commerce model. First one is the churn. Churn means that customer subscribe to your model, and after 1 month or 2 months they cancel the subscription. It's a very big challenge in this model, because basically it will damage your business, do your reputation, and business must continuously provide value to retain customers. It is also very important point that if you are giving value to your customers, obviously they will retain with you, they will not go somewhere else. However, if you are not giving a proper or appropriate services to them, then definitely they will switch and cancel this subscription. Logistic and fulfillment is also a very big challenge in the e-commerce model. For example, you have as a e-commerce model, you have to deliver few products at their home, at their doorstep. So the inventory management and the logistic management should be very efficient, very appropriate. And if there is any problem in the logistic, and if there is any problem in the inventory, it will create a problem for your business. Marketing and customer acquisition, trial periods and discounts. Basically it offering trial periods of discount for the first subscription box, which attract new customers. Like if you purchase the product for the first time, you will get, for example, 5% discount on that particular product. Social media and influencer are very important. Many subscription services or e-commerce model leverage social media and influencers to promote their products through YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and reach a wider audience through this model as well, through the social media. The examples of subscription e-commerce, first one is the Birchbox, which offers beauty and grooming products. Okay. Then the Netflix, it's a subscription based streaming services for like for movies and TV shows. Then Blue Apron, it delivers pre-portioned ingredients and recipes to customers for home cooked meals. In summary, a subscription e-commerce is a business model that revolves around recurring revenue, offering benefits for both business and customers. It has become a popular way for companies to build a loyal customer base while providing consumers with convenience and personalized experience. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video.